Good morning. It is day 3 of the Maryland International Film Festival series. This has been a great weekend so far, so much fun. Tonight, Odd Men Out premieres. This is gonna be so cool. But it's so beautiful out right now, I figured I'd get the drone up in the air and see what Maryland looks like from up high. Here we go. Wi-Fi at the hotel sucks, so I hopped over to Starbucks for a coffee and also to edit yesterday's vlog, which I'll upload right now after I edit it. Yeah. This kid right here looking fly.
Day 2.
It's day 3 technically of the trip, of the series. I'm still at Starbucks here. I'm having very bad luck getting this vlog out, so it might not happen today. The vlog you watched before this one is probably not coming out when I hoped it would be up on the internet. I'm having a hell of a time getting Wi-Fi to upload anything. Anyway, I've tried. See my hotel. I've tried the Wi-Fi there. I've tried the Wi-Fi here at the Starbucks. No go. Nice and easy. Take away the jagged edges. It is a tradition that I have for every special event to shotgun a beer. And so, in honor of Odd Men Out premiering tonight at the Maryland International Film Festival, I'm gonna shotgun this beer. Odd Men Out. In theaters everywhere. Not really though.
Damn, that was fast.
I'm so excited for tonight. I cannot wait. It's gonna be awesome. Odd Men Out. Oh yeah. What's up, bro? What up? You ready for tonight?
I'm psyched, bro. An Odd Man Out, bitches.
Yeah.
I can't drink. I'm not ready for tonight. Honestly, I'm feeling like death right now. But I had a great time last night. It was awesome.
VIP, Odd Men Out, coming at you.
I don't know where my movie pass is.
Whoa, whoa.
Where's on the way? Mike's happy.
We are in the Uber to the theater. Here we go.
Let's get adopted a dog. I was waiting for the trick where you just go.
saying. He was in our Uber. I don't know where he went.
Hey, are you guys ready to see the premiere?
Oh yeah.
Odd Men Out.
I'm pumped.
So ready.
It's
So
gonna be
ready.
awesome. Okay, here we go. Here's where our film is being played. Dave, are you excited for tonight?
I am so excited.
Let's get another picture. Sure, man.
Day 2. Let's get to Andrews. The Andrews. Andrews.
Buddy was the president.
I was gonna put Steven Seagal's face on it, but that pose is just way better.
I don't know how to stand, so I'm just gonna stand.
No, you're not in the shot or anything. Andre the Giant out of the shot.
And when we did it with DC, the DC police were seeing officers showing these kids how to dig.
No rapping. Let him go now.
Here. Let's bring up the folks in charge. Hell, let's bring them all up. From Odd Men Out. Ladies and gentlemen, a great film. Odd Men Out. Look at them come. We don't have enough microphones. I tell you what, let's just introduce all of you guys, one after another. Just pass the mic. Go ahead. Here we go.
I'm John Perry, director and producer. I am Mike Daniels. I played Vulture in the film. Brian Fusco. I shot and edited it. What's going on? I'm Adam Maznik. I am Gator.
Andy Forger, producer.
Peter Hoy, rabbit and producer.
Alrighty, let's give that a round of applause. Thank you, boys.
Odd Men Out crew.
That's Brian Fusco. I was cutting out each actor's reels.
Hey, we saw you all walking the streets earlier. You were going up to.
All right, people. Odd Men Out was epic on the big screen. It was sick. Everyone loved it. We had a great time. It was a good night. We're gonna go to bed because we're gonna leave early tomorrow. So, back home.
It's been real.
Back home.
People in Andy Forget Lego Land.
Back to Massachusetts in the morning. We're gonna make a couple pit stops on the way. I'm just gonna say that generically because last time I told you all that, we didn't actually make the pit stops. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's been real. See you tomorrow.